So, if you've worked with GitHub, you know how important webhooks are. They keep us updated on everything happening in our projects, new branches, commits, you name it. But here's the catch, GitHub's webhooks are global. That means they can't trigger specific actions for different branches or users. Wouldn't it be awesome if a push event on the dev branch could notify one system and a staging branch push could notify another? That's where Treehook comes in. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to route GitHub webhook events to different Discord channel bots based on the branch name using Treehook. We'll break it down into 3 steps: creating Discord bots, setting up Treehook, and finally, linking everything with GitHub. First, let's create our Discord bots. We'll set up 3 channels, one each for the dev, staging, and master branches. Once your bots are ready, make sure to copy the webhook URLs for each bot. We'll use them later to send notifications from GitHub. Now, let's head over to Treehook, our webhook management platform. Treehook allows us to create dynamic webhook routing rules, transforming requests without having to manually update endpoints. After signing up, create a new project and a Treehook URL. This universal URL will redirect GitHub events to the right Discord bots based on the branch name. Now, it's time to set up the routing rules. We'll create rules for the dev, staging, and master branches by matching the ref field from the webhook request body. To ensure the Discord bot understands the webhook data, we'll also transform the requests. Here's a simple JSON that sends a message when a push event happens. You can insert data from the GitHub webhook request body or header by using $body.path.to field or $header.path.to field. In this tutorial, we will use the sender pusher information and branch name from the body and event type from the header. We'll make each branch message slightly different so we can know that it's sending the correct payload to the correct bot endpoint. Finally, we need to link GitHub to Treehook. In the GitHub repository settings, add the Treehook URL as your webhook and change the content type to application/JSON. Now, when you push changes to a specific branch, GitHub will notify Treehook, which will redirect the request to the right Discord bot. Let's test it out by pushing some commits. We will try to push 1 commit per branch and see if the correct bot responded to our GitHub requests. And there you have it. A push event on the dev branch triggers a message in our dev Discord channel, staging on staging channel, and master on master channel. You can set up similar rules for other branches or even customize it further with user-specific data.